Welcome to the northern home of EIT Manufacturing, a growing and dedicated community that is passionate to drive the manufacturing sector in Europe forward. We found, support and further develop your great ideas in order to ensure that they don't become stuck under the heavy load of contracts and administration and poor decisions. Yeah, definitely stuck now.
So, how do we do all this?
We look very closely to the entire system.
And we asked ourselves what the end user really needs.
It's not always what you think it is.
We do all this so when your big idea has been industrialized and comes to the market, it's efficient and it's relevant and it makes a big impact.
Community is another important word for us. We get really excited when we get some different competencies and we put them together around the table and something truly marvelous could happen. For example, you might see an electrical bus, but for us it's an entirely new manufacturing system, including new drivelines, new battery systems and charging stations all over Europe. Make sure you don't miss the bus. We have supported turning robots into 3D printers, helped combat the rise in COVID-19 and replacing steel with lighter composite materials for the next generation of electrical cars. Our collective power is enormous. Join us!